Hi, I'm Bob Gostischa, also known as Bob the Cyber Guy. Today, we're doing a quick and easy checkup on your web browser to make sure it's running safely. We're going to cover the hidden dangers of browser extensions, why those little add-ons might be collecting your data or injecting unwanted ads. What exactly is a browser extension? Think of an extension like adding custom accessories to your car. Your browser is the car itself. The extension is a custom GPS unit or a fancy new radio you attach to the dashboard to make driving better. It's a small piece of software that plugs in to your web browser to give it new abilities. The good news and why we use them. You could be using them for reading aids, making text bigger and easier on the eyes. Ad blockers hides annoying pop-ups so you can read in peace. Or password managers, which safely remembers your logins so you don't have to. Extensions can be wonderfully helpful, which is why millions of people use them every day. The catch: handing over your keys. When you install an extension, you are giving it the keys to your digital house. Most are good guests, but some use those keys to snoop. To do their job, extensions require permission to read and change the websites you visit. Danger number 1, snooping on your data. Depending on its permissions, a dishonest extension may monitor websites you visit, view information entered on web pages, alter page content, or transmit browsing data. Danger number 2, injecting ads and redirects. Some extensions secretly alter the pages you visit. They inject extra ads into websites that shouldn't have them, or redirect your normal web searches to fake spammy search engines. Here are some helpful tools versus hidden traps. Helpful tools. These extensions are usually made by a known reputable company. The extension asks for very limited access to your browser, and it does exactly what it promises, nothing more. Hidden traps come from unknown creators or use generic names. Demand access to all data on all websites, and changes your homepage or adds clutter without asking. Warning signs: is your browser infected? Did your homepage or default search engine change suddenly? Are you seeing bizarre ads on trusted, normally clean sites? Is your web browser suddenly freezing or running very slow? If you nodded yes to any of these warning lights, a rogue extension might be the culprit. Action step 1. Find the puzzle piece. Look at the very top right of your computer screen, right next to where you type web addresses. Click the puzzle piece icon to open the menu and see exactly what is running behind the scenes. Action step number 2, review your list. If you don't remember installing it, or you don't know what it actually does, you do not need it. Get rid of it. Action step number 3, remove the untrusted. Click Manage Extensions at the bottom of the puzzle piece menu. Find the culprit and click the Remove button. Removing an extension will not normally harm your computer, but the feature it supplied will stop working. Safer habits means the less is more rule. Keep it minimal. Extra extensions can use browser resources and add another possible security risk. Spring cleaning. Make it a habit to check your puzzle piece menu every few months and remove anything you haven't used recently. Remember that quality beats clutter every time. Safer habits. Verify, then trust. Safe shopping. Only use official stores. Only download from official sources like the Chrome Web Store or Microsoft Edge add-ons. Check the creator. Look at who made it. Is it a company you recognize and trust? Read permissions. Before clicking Add, read what it wants access to. Does a simple calculator really need to read all your website data? Realize that an official extension store is safer, but it is not a guarantee. Always check the developer and permissions. The golden rule. Extensions are not just harmless website features. They are little software programs installed on your computer. Treat them with the exact same caution as any other downloaded software. My safety summary checklist. Watch for sudden pop-up ads, slow browsing, or strange search engines. Open your browser's extension or add-ons menu and review what is installed. Delete anything you don't actively use or don't explicitly trust. Remember, extensions are software. Less is always more. Stay safe. It's a dangerous world out there. I'm Bob, the Cyber Guy.